Howdy. So one of the things that's been bothering me about the Bambu A1 is just how dark the print area gets while I'm printing, especially at night or when I'm trying to film videos. But this LED light strip upgrade completely changes that. This kit is designed specifically to work with the A1. It mounts to the print arm with adhesive backing and plugs directly into the printer. Here's what the stock lighting looks like. First, I cleaned the arm with an alcohol wipe so the adhesive would stick properly. I definitely don't want this peeling off mid-print. The strip already comes prepped with adhesive backing, so installation is pretty straightforward. The biggest thing here is just taking your time to keep everything lined up evenly. Next, I mounted the sensor so that the strip is integrated with the onboard system. I also wanted to make sure the cable stayed clear of any moving parts. The last thing you want is the printer grabbing this cable during the print. Finally, it plugs directly into the printer's light connector. And this is when it gets really cool. The printer recognizes it just like the factory lighting. This honestly makes monitoring prints way easier. And because the light moves with the tool head, it keeps the exact area you care about illuminated. If you've got an A1, this is definitely one of the easiest upgrades I'd recommend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.